Well, it's IBC 2018, and of course I have to give you the overview of the equipment that we've been using this year to film all the interviews. So here we go. We'll go with the camera first, and we are running the Blackmagic URSA Mini Pro. We used this in NAB and absolutely loved it. It's an amazing camera. There's an awful lot of information about it, so you can look at it online. We're running a Sigma 24-70 2.8 lens on it, so we have the Canon EF mount on this particular URSA Mini. Recording-wise, we're going to record on the Shogun Inferno. Yes, we could have recorded on the camera just as easily, but we wanted to use the Shogun Inferno monitor. We love the monitor, and as we're here, we thought, well, why not record into it? So, of course, we're recording onto the SSDs in the Shogun Inferno. Power-wise, we are running the new IDX batteries, the 198 watt-hour batteries. These are brilliant. They've got 2D taps on the side and a USB, so we can power some USB kit with this as well. Microphone-wise, we are using the Sennheiser AVX systems. Again, lots of information about that. A brilliant system, works amazingly in environments like this where there is lots of different RF around and things that can interfere with your mic. AVX is as solid as a rock, which is what we need. And lighting-wise, the good old Dedolight LEDZilla at the top. Again, color balanceable, flood, spot control, dimmable, runs for what seems like ever on a battery. We are, of course, running it off of a D-tap on the back of our IDX. Stick-wise, well, we've gone all new. This is the new Vinten Flowtech 100. This is the new 100mm bowl version of the Flowtech. Again, lots of information on the Flowtech system. An amazingly light tripod, super easy to deploy, and very rigid, which is great, especially when you've got a larger payload like this. And so this is the kit we've been using this year at IBC 2018. Been very, very impressed with it overall. Hopefully you've been impressed with the video content that you've been getting us from here. And if you haven't seen the videos, don't forget to look at our website, which is kitplus.com. There is a lot on there from this year at IBC 2018.